This is a version of a vegetarian tom yum soup. The first thing, we'll make the broth. 5 cups of water, lemongrass, the stalk of the lemongrass, and 1 green chilli, few Kaffir lime. Close the lid and boil this for 7 to 8 minutes. For the red curry paste, into a mixie jar, the stalk of the lemongrass, the Thai ginger, it is called Galangal, 2 spoons of coriander seeds, dry red chilies, few shallots, few garlic, few peppercorns, and some salt to taste. Water. I'm going to make this into a smooth paste. And our broth is ready for use. Now into the pan, I'm going to add red curry paste. I'm going to strain in the water. To this, I'm going to add in carrots, mushrooms. I have 2 variants. This is shiitake mushrooms, few broccoli florets, and red bell pepper. I have thinly sliced the lemongrass and some galangal. I'm going to add in few Kaffir lime. I'm going to add some more salt. If you like it more hotter, you can use bird's eye chili. I'm going to add in 2. I shall cover this and cook this for a few more minutes so that the vegetable gets softened. Wow, what an aroma. I'm going to add in few sweet basil, some fresh lime. Now the soup is ready to serve. A tom yum soup ready to have. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.